Hello everyone. If you're a business that is located in the Middle East region, you're looking to sell products or services on channels like WhatsApp, or you're already doing so, it is very much important for you to automatically accept payments directly on channels like WhatsApp. Two things: it just provides a seamless experience for your customers when they are looking to buy products or services from your business. And at the same time, it just saves a lot of time on the admin work, and you don't have to manually send them the invoice, send them the payment instructions, and monitor whether the payment has been done to fulfill the orders as such. I'm Babu Munawar Basha. I'm the founder and CEO of Whautomate platform, and in this video we will look at how to integrate a local payment gateway called MyFatoorah into Whautomate platform and start accepting payments seamlessly on channels like WhatsApp. Let's dive into the demo. If you already have an account with MyFatoorah payment gateway, you can directly log into your account. If you don't have one, the process is pretty straightforward to get started with. You can just click on join on their website and sign up with your information, complete your KYC, and your account should be activated. If you have any questions, you can reach out to their support directly from their website. And in my instance, I've already got a demo account set up, so I'm just going to use this account to connect to Whautomate platform. I'm going to go into integration settings, and I'm going to go to the API key. I will be copying the API key. This is something that I need to connect to Whautomate platform. So I'm going to go into my Whautomate account. If you've already signed up with Whautomate, this should somewhat look familiar to you. And you can go into the integrations, and I'm going to find MyFatoorah, which is here. I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to paste the API key. And whichever country that you are signing up your MyFatoorah account, you just have to select that. In my instance, my demo account is in Kuwait, so I'm just going to select that. The next thing that I want to do is go back to my MyFatoorah and go into webhook settings. And if you're doing this for the first time, the webhook will not be enabled by default, so you just have to select yes, and then go back to Whautomate and copy the webhook URL, and I'm just going to paste this URL in here. And I strongly recommend to enable the secret key because this just adds an additional layer of security. I'm just going to copy the webhook secret key. If you want a new webhook secret key, you can click on generate button to generate a new one. I'm just going to use this one and put it on the webhook secret key here, and I'm going to click on update. The most important thing is the events. I need to have the transaction status change event selected, and once this is all done on the MyFatoorah side, I'm just going to click on save. Okay, once these settings are done at MyFatoorah and Whautomate platform, we have completed the integration steps. Now let's just test it out. In order to test out the payment gateway integration, I've set up a simple appointment booking bot on our staging environment. And the goal of this bot is to take your customers through a series of steps like selecting a service date and time, and also making sure the payment is completed before the booking is confirmed as well. Let's look at how it works. I'm just going to message on this number, and I should be presented with a list of menu options as well. I'm just going to go through the process of booking the appointment. And once I have selected the book an appointment, I'm presented with a bunch of categories. And obviously, this is what I've configured on my staging environment. For your business, obviously, you can customize your set of categories and services as well. Yeah, and I'm going to select a demo service just to take you through the process. And I'm presented with a list of dates. I'm going to select 3rd of January as well. And it will present me with a list of time slots. And obviously, just to make a note, these are slots that are based on the person's calendar configured on our platform. And if somebody else had already booked an appointment for a specific time slot, that slot will not be displayed here as well. I'm just going to select a particular time slot and complete the booking process as such. Once the time slot is selected, I'm presented with a payment link. I'm just going to click on this link and show you what it looks like as well. On the left hand side, you should see the amount that you're paying and also the services that you've selected in the appointment booking process, and if there was any taxes configured by the business, that will also be displayed here. And you can see Whautomate's logo. That's just because I've configured our logo on the staging environment. When you sign up onto your account, you can configure your own branding as well. I'm just going to select the payment method that is specific to Kuwait, and I'm just going to click on pay. It should take me to KNet's page. So I'm just going to select KNet test card because this is a staging environment. I'm just going to put in the test card details, and I am going to complete the payment by adding in the PIN as well. Click on submit and then confirm. And once the payment is completed successfully, two things will happen. I am presented with the payment confirmation page. At the same time, if I go back to the WhatsApp, I also receive a message saying the appointment is confirmed as well. That's it on this demo. Obviously, we saw the appointment booking process, but we also have other different bots that can do multiple different things like class booking, or if you're selling products, you can directly go through the checkout process directly on WhatsApp and complete the payment as well. All of these are available on our platform. If you're interested, you can sign up onto our platform at whautomate.com. If you have any questions, or if you want to discuss more of your business use case, feel free to reach out to us on our website, and we'll be more than happy to talk to you and help you set up on our platform as well. Thank you for watching this video.